Hello everyone, my name is Chong. Today I'm presenting Automate Container Image Builds on Azure Part 2. So this time I'm talking about how to commit the source code in GitHub. So first of all, we look for the sample code from Part 1. So I kept the container registry here, and then we need to do a certain GitHub personal access token. I'm not gonna show it here, but basically it means that we use the token to access commit status and access public repositories, which is this one that I forked in part one, uh, as in the sample repository by Azure on GitHub. So this is the done. Uh, this is the finished build, of course. So we use Git to for an Azure CLI, and first I logged in, and then using the token, we create a task, the build task, using the registry name, the GitHub name, so on my GitHub, and using the token, we create a master here, and I already made it, so that's why it's a bunch of logs here. And to run the task hello world, we have some other logs here. So basically it's a successful. And to test the task, then we need to use cd commands to the original ACR build hello world node from the previous from part one. And this part is easier than part one actually. And to create a model hello dot text, here I had a little bit of issue where it cannot push some refs to my forked repo. And what I did was, it really means that because it was looking for the Git. Um, Let me see. This is Git main. So what happens was that I just checked out the branch, and here I just have the master, because when I was creating it, I think somewhere is, yeah, here it says is master. So that's why, for this reason, I didn't have the main. So that's why I check out main. I switched to a new branch called main. And then when I check git remote tag v, then obviously the origin is actually around, because I did part one, so that's why I still saw it. And upon switching to main, then obviously we could push to the origin main. So successful, and I checked the logs, so everything went fine. And the run ID, we can also check out the run ID output table, and it's a manual trigger task hello world. And that's how we ended up with one recent push in the main. So this is all about committing code on GitHub, and I'm gonna talk about part 3.